Hey guys, just an update. I've released a new version of Godot Dragonbones. I've also switched to a versioning system where I'm just going to take the upper patch notes. It's to prevent vanilla export templates from being used inside the engine, just to prevent people from making mistakes. I've now got a Linux 32-bit binary and a Mac binary, as well as those being included inside the export templates as well. So I'll show you how to get all that set up because it's not normal Godot. So we'll do Windows. So you'll click this Windows 64. You'll get a download. I already have it here, and you'll also want to get these export templates here. So you'll get a file. You'll get this Godot Dragonbones 3.25 file plus whatever binary you had for your system. So here I have the Windows 32. You'll extract your Windows 32 binary. Did I double zip that? I didn't double. No, okay. Did I just re-zip that? I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Let's try that again. Extract to. Oh, I did it. Okay. I am dumb. Anyways. So you'll have your binary here. Open it up. I'll move this over here, and I'll open this new game project. It's a very simple project right now. It's one scene with an animated Godot Dragonbones, as shown in the previous getting started video. Just here. So to get these export templates, to use the export templates, anyways, what you'll do is you'll go into Project, Export, or Install, Build Templates, click Manage Templates. Here you'll see they're already installed. We'll uninstall these. Now that it's uninstalled, what we're going to do is download the export template. So you download these export templates, and you'll see here, you'll get a 3.2 templates.zip. Rename this file to .tpc, and this, I'm going to fix this soon. Wix, the provider I chose when I was setting up the site quickly, doesn't allow any .tpc files, so you have to do this. Make sure your view, if you're on Windows, there's file name extensions. Make sure you show those. Make sure you show those so that you can actually add the .tpc there. Yeah, so that's it. Then go back to Godot, hit download. Not download. Download's not going to work. That's the whole point. Install from file, and then go into the spot where your thing is. Desktop, Godot Dragonbones 325. Here, you'll see that it now has the TPC file here. You can do that here, or you can do it here. This is the folder I was in, so we'll do it here. It'll import everything, and then it'll work just like a normal build of Godot. So here you create your running versions. These are the ones I've explicitly tested so far. They're all generated. Go here, you hit export project. It'll go in here. I've already done it, but we'll overwrite it. It's done. It's done. So we open it up, and you see we have this one running lady here, and that's it. That's how you run a game and export it in Godot Dragonbones. I like to keep these fairly short because there's not that much to say, honestly. It's fairly straightforward. It's same as regular Godot, except for slightly different process in getting the templates in. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like what I'm doing here, and if you if you want to support what I'm doing, there are ways to do that on the website, or you can just share whatever you feel like sharing to get more people involved, join my Discord, all that nonsense. Alright, see you next time.